Firstly, install mounting plate on door. Install striking box. Screw on. Install the striking box case and screw on. Install the lock front panel and screw on. Connect front and back panels. Plug the cable in the port of back panel and mount the back panel on the bracket. Screw on from the lock side. Remove battery cover by taking off the screw on the back cover. Put on batteries, cover and screw on. Then the installation is completed.